Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your Wallops weather briefing for Monday, November 20th. We are seeing sunny skies out there, a little bit breezy, but it is going to be a little bit chilly today before we see a return to more seasonable temperatures tomorrow. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday, we did see a very seasonable day yesterday and this morning as well, with highs ranging in the 50s to 60s, with the colder locations being to our north and then the warmest spot being down to our south at Richmond. I did see low temperatures this morning, fairly seasonable for this time of year, with low temperatures in the mid 30s for all locations except for Norfolk, which just reached down to 41 degrees. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing a chilly day across the area. Temperatures are in the low 40s for most locations under sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing upper level trough across the northeastern United States with some weak ridging just off to the west, and that is helping to really ramp up those upper level winds. We are seeing northwesterly winds basically across the entire column here. From the surface to 6,000 feet, we're seeing those winds range from 20 to 40 knots, then quickly increasing to around 50 knots at the 9,000 foot level, and then increasing further to around 80 knots at 16,000 feet, and then peaking at 95 knots at the 20,000 foot level. We are seeing a freezing level this morning at 2,300 feet. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the country this morning, we are seeing high pressure dominate the eastern half of the United States, and that is helping to give us some cooler, drier conditions this morning, as well as sunny skies, and we do anticipate these clear skies to continue as we go into this evening and tomorrow morning as well, before that high shifts offshore and starts to give us return to southwesterly winds with some increasing temperatures back to normal tomorrow. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop here this morning, not seeing any shower activity or even clouds really this morning across the mid-Atlantic area. Winds are from the northwest across the northern portions of the mid-Atlantic, with temperatures in the mid-40s. Let's take a look at our forecast charts here. We're going to see this high pressure dominate the eastern half of the United States throughout today and into tomorrow and into tonight. By tomorrow morning, we're going to see this high pressure start to shift offshore to the east, and that is going to return winds from the southwest, which will help to increase our temperatures back to normal, as well as bring a little bit more moisture into the area. As we go into Tuesday afternoon, we are going to start to see clouds increase across the region as a cold front approaches from the east. Also, we're going to be seeing a weak low develop off the Carolina coast for our Tuesday night, and that is going to parallel the coast, keeping well east of the Wallops area, but the moisture combined with that and the incoming front that you can see here on the map, we are going to be looking at some pretty good rain chances for Tuesday night, and can't rule out a slight chance of a thunderstorm for the late Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning time frame either. As we go into Wednesday afternoon, we're going to see that system quickly move off to the east with high pressure building back in. Might be a little bit breezy on Wednesday as we get that high pressure building in, tightening up that pressure gradient, but by Wednesday afternoon it does look like we're going to be back under partly cloudy skies and dry conditions. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, we are going to remain green across the board. Like I said, it's going to be chilly today with a high only of 49 degrees. We are seeing winds become a little bit gusty here in the late morning hours, only gusting up to around 20 knots, and we don't anticipate a wind advisory today. We are going to see those winds shift west-northwesterly around 10 to 15 knots late this morning, then westerly early this afternoon before they become southwesterly later today and through the overnight hours. And we will see those winds weaken down to 3 to 8 knots tonight before they increase again to 8 to 13 knots tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, we're not going to be seeing really much in the way of clouds at all. Skies are clear right now. We do anticipate a few thin cirrus clouds moving to the area towards the end of the workday, and then those cirrus clouds will become scattered to broken as we go into the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday and into Tuesday morning. For the next 3 days, we are going to be looking at a chance of rain there on Tuesday night. We could be seeing some gustier winds tomorrow afternoon as well, briefly. Only a slight chance of that. We are going to be seeing a seasonable day tomorrow, though, of 59 degrees under partly cloudy skies. By Tuesday night, we're going to see that low that I had mentioned start to approach the area, along with the cold front to the west. That is going to be giving us a chance of rain mainly after midnight. It is also going to be very mild as we're going to have some good onshore flow, keeping the low pretty warm, only down to 51 degrees. And then on Wednesday, we're going to see another seasonable day with a high of 60. We could see those showers lingering near sunrise, but then we're going to see those clouds quickly move out of the area as we go into the afternoon hours as high pressure builds in. And like I had mentioned, we could be seeing some breezy winds Wednesday as that pressure gradient tightens across the area. Taking a look at the next 7 days, we're going to be looking at a seasonable day for Tuesday and Wednesday, high around 60 degrees. We're going to see that mild low of 51 Wednesday when we get those rain chances. By Wednesday afternoon, we're going to see skies clear, becoming partly cloudy. And then we're going to start to see that colder air move in from that cold front. That's going to help give us that rain on Wednesday night. So we're going to see that low drop down to 31. Going to be looking at a chilly Thursday and Friday. Only looking at those temperatures going to be in the upper 40s to low 50s for our highs. And then this weekend we are going to be looking at a warmer day on Saturday of 62 before we see the temperature fall again on Sunday with a high of 46. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your daily operations brief and at 10 a.m. for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.